To remove the seat, hold it by the footrest and backrest, then lift it up. Keep it in a safe place until you're ready to use it again. Zip the apron onto the bassinet. Unfold the bassinet, making sure that the metal bar locks with a click. Do not push it too high. Then, carefully slide the bassinet onto the chassis until it's securely in place. Next, install the canopy. To do this, begin by sliding the first wire into the sun canopy fabric. Insert the second wire in the same manner. Secure the left clamp first, ensuring you align it with the L indicator on the wires, and secure it with the elastics. Repeat the process with the right clamp, following the same steps by aligning it with the R sign. Click the round attachment points of the sun canopy onto the frame. Rotate the sun canopy towards the head end of the bassinet until it's firmly in position. Next, attach the sun canopy fabric to the Velcro on the head of the bassinet, ensuring that the sun canopy loop lies under it. Finally, open the sun canopy and attach the carry handle to the bassinet.